Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Junior Creator, and in this morning update video, let's take a look at Tesla, Nvidia, AMD, SMCI, ARM, Broadcom, and Micron. So today is the day, the big day, the Tesla day, that we will see a price action, or well, in other words, today we'll be seeing a massive move, gap up or gap down. Given it's going to happen, it's Tesla. Tesla does it in the past. All the time it has done it. If it doesn't do it today, well, it's an outlier day then today. But we have to go where the high likelihood is based off of the previous data that we have for a particular type of stock, and in this case that's Tesla. Now, if you already know, I mentioned that expect lingering effect on Tesla until earnings. Last 3 days pretty much we have had this lingering effect. However, we are not full on strengthful bullish, as I have been saying. We are still negative, right? And I'll show you a couple of things, but let's first talk about what are the possibilities through the earnings. As I mentioned, if we gap below 373, it's in our most likely tradable outcome that we have seen in the past as for Tesla follow through. If we gap down below 373, it opens up the door to 325. I talked about it in a video over the weekend that I have pointed you to yesterday as well to check it out. If we gap up above this area of 430 to 440, then it's gonna open up the doors to $500. So that's what we are having on Tesla. Until then, leave it all now on earnings. All right, there's still a weakness, lingering effect, right? And also on the 4 hours interval, which I use for the direction purposes. My tool, one of the tools for, I mean, 4 hours I use for direction purposes, 5 minutes for day trading with this tool. 4 hours is still red on my tool, so nothing really has changed here. No structure change in the direction. And definitely today, as I said, is a weaker day on Tesla again. This just, you'll have to now leave it all on the earnings. Hourly interval still rejecting at that psychological $400 level. Didn't get above that blue box, still rejecting there, still negative. So if only anything can save Tesla today is the earnings, which will need a gap up, a strong gap up above this 428 to 440 area for that good move to the upside. Otherwise, uh, even if Tesla just gaps up above 406, that will save Tesla, but it won't give it that bullish strength to $500 that we want to see. We'll then still be stuck if we stay between 428 and 404 area, or 406 actually, right? And but anyways, clear direction to 500 is above 428 to 440. We need to gap up above that, and unfortunately, if we gap below 373, it opens up the doors to 325 at least. So we'll see what happens, but that's what we have for Tesla. Today is the big day, guys. It's the big day. It's the Tesla day. All right, Nvidia. So Nvidia, as I said, take yesterday's rebound as just a rebound, and today we're just seeing a follow through again in the downtrend. Nvidia is still in that downtrend. All right, my overall sentiment on Nvidia will not change this week if we still stay below 132. It's a bearish area overall structure. I'm gonna get to the hourly interval in just a second for potential intraday rebounds that I talked about. And the overall structure is negative, and yesterday's rebound was just a rebound. There's still weakness in Nvidia. You can see today is a follow through to the downside. Let's go to the hourly interval, because there was a level. I told you this is the level 123, right? I mentioned that until then, intraday, sure, that's the weakness for now. That's a intraday, little bit of a short as well. But if any rebound has to come or can happen, 123 area is the level to watch. All right, my tools marks this level all for you, and I gave you this level as well yesterday, and it very much coincides with the potential trend line as well. So with the confluence of this trend line and 123, if any rebound for the day you are looking to trade, this is your area to watch. You will have to watch on the lower time frame the price action where it's turning bullish, and right now it's not bullish. All right, but that's the zone you are watching if any rebound has to come for the day. And but that would be that. Right now things are not looking good for Nvidia, as you can just tell by looking at the price action. Again, just use the tools as well, that will give you all that clarity. But so far, yeah. So that's pretty much all to watch on Nvidia, guys. Overall structure remains bearish, and if any rebound still can come today, that's the 123 area that I gave you yesterday. Around that, only though a rebound for now, nothing more than that. All right, with that trend line combination. All right, AMD. AMD is out shining the market today. It's peer groups. It's just said, it's time for me to go get back up. And it's a good price action. Look, it's been able to, I think, get finally now above that 200 weeks moving average. Yep, we are seeing a good price action again there. All right, I know it's been pain to just see this thing crawl. It's all the time here for like 5 weeks, a month. But anyways, this is an important area. We are seeing a buying happen. And also on the hourly interval, we have a really good price action. We are, well, at least we are trying to come back up. Yes, we are still a little bit selling off because overall market is a little bit red today. But AMD still did outshine every other stock today. Let's turn on the tools here on this thing. So you can see we opened bullish, stayed above the cloud, and are still technically bullish and continuing higher. So it's not a bad price action. Look at it. It's so easy with my tools that, was it a sell? Not really. Look at this. Let's turn on the tool and all the clear picture is in front of you. Anyways, if you need access to my tools, links in the description below, and there's also a discount. All right, so AMD technically overall structure though is bearish. It's a good rebound. Let's see if this rebound has more strength from intraday to continue to turn strong up again, and we'll see. But overall structure will need to see a lot more strength on AMD before it just turns complete bullish. SMCI bearish, nothing to see here. All right, 30 below is bearish. Right now I'm not seeing any price action to turn around. Any rebound until 30 will just be a rebound. The overall structure will still remain bearish. ARM can't get above $150, and that's why there is still weakness on this thing. And that blue box pretty much, it's a zone. And we are still coming down because we can't hold above, we can't break out above this thing. So ARM now. Broadcom also rebounded but selling off because overall structure, just like Nvidia, is red. The thing is that with Broadcom, yeah, there's this thing, right? Like, well, it only did that in the pre-market. I mentioned that if we get above 209, some rebound can come, but just be a rebound. We don't know how high rebounds would go. And then just like Nvidia, you can also try to use this trend line if the price action holds here. It did hold for an hour, but it's just going to be a rebound part. So there is no guarantee how strong a rebound would be because it's against the direction. Because overall direction is negative on this thing. But so let's see if this is holds. You have to see the price action on lower time frame if that holds. If it holds, sure, rebound can more happen. Otherwise, no. Micron. So Micron, let it load. So yeah, no, Micron bearish. No, nothing else, nothing to see here. It's bearish. All right. So that's all, guys, for this video. And well, we'll talk about later as well when Tesla's earnings have happened today and any other stocks that will be coming out. Anyways, there are a lot more stocks that I'm talking with the members, guys. All those details are in the description of this video, part of the memberships. All right. Okay. I'll see you in the next videos. Take care. Bye.